Hi my friends, this is Dr. Sailata, MBBS, currently pursuing my post-graduation in obstetrics and gynecology, Akola, Maharashtra. Since 2011, my life is built at Abhaya. I am blessed to be a wonderful beneficiary in the educare wing of Abhaya. Since my association, I have seen so many wonderful things that were happening at Abhaya. Today I am going to share one such wonderful thing which is called as Abhaya Home of Happiness, Ananda Nilayam, which is located 50 kilometers away from Hyderabad at Ibrahimpatnam, almost in a forest area. Can you see the greenery, serene atmosphere with vibrant environment, with plenty and pure oxygen? See, my friends, let us enter the home and know the things one by one in a minute detailed way. Come along with me. 1, 2, 3. Dear friends, the entire construction of this campus was finished just in the span of 9 months. Can you imagine this? It is highly impossible, but with the blessings of Lord and with the kind support of so many kind-hearted peoples, this was happened just in 9 months. And this ashramam was visited and blessed by Sri Chinnajiyar Swamiji. He planted this Ravi and neem tree for the well-being of everyone. And this is the stupam which was inaugurated by Sri Chinnajiyar Swamiji. We can see the vision and mission of Abhaya over the side of one of the side of stupam. The main purpose of this Abhaya Foundation is this vision and mission. The vision is to be globally renowned for its values, services, management, transparency in serving humanity, thereby transforming the world into a better place to live in. And the mission is to serve with heart, where H stands for health, E stands for education, A stands for awareness, R stands for rural development, and finally T stands for transformation of one. In the process of doing help, we will be transform ourselves. This is the mission of Abhaya. The purpose of this campus, which is mainly serving the destitutes, providing training for the unemployed youth, and finally imparting human values along with the transformation. This is the prayer we always seek God to bless with all these wonderful values in our lives. Now let us proceed to the heart of Abhaya. This is the huge meeting hall. This is the heart of Abhaya, Divya Darshini. Many people will get solace from here because my uncle will be placed. Many people will be coming with so many problems. Let us say hi to our beloved Bhagavan. This Abhaya is just not extended to Hyderabad. It has extended its wings to so many states of the country like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. So many things will be operated from the heart of Abhaya. Now let us visit classes one by one. Meeting hall where many people will be gathering for meetings at various occasions and celebrations. This is one of the computer classes where we train so many unemployed youth. These are the kalishams, Abhaya kalishams, which were being distributed at the times of various relief programs. Currently, we are distributing these Abhaya kalishams in the crisis of Corona. This is driving classroom where hundreds of youngsters, ladies and gents were trained here. Apart from living skills, many morals and values are being imparted for the life. Now we shall proceed to inmates' homes. Here almost hundreds of people were taken care at the ashram. Currently we can see 30 inmates. These inmates are with various backgrounds. Some people were abandoned, uncared by the near and dear, and some people were brought as destitutes who were lying on the roads. We can see inmates. Here people will be suffering with various chronic disorders. Each and every inmate will be provided with adequate space, clean bed and clean environment. We can see the people we are taking care of these people. As these people were nearing their end stage, we will ensure that they live respectful life. These people will be suffering from various chronic disorders, and I will be often visiting them and treating them from my side. Some people will be suffering from psychiatric illness. Some people will be suffering from diabetes, hypertension. This is Abhaya Prasadam. On hearing the ringing bell, all the inmates will gather for the dining, meeting session and evening prayers. This is a big dining hall for all the inmates, which is very clean and hygiene. Daily, so many prayers will be sung for the well-being of everyone. There is Abhaya Nityana Seva scheme, and all the donors, whoever wish, they donate 10,116 rupees, which is like a lifetime subscription, and on their name people will be fed on the special occasion day. This is water plant donated by some kind-hearted fellows. So huge kitchen which has capacity for cooking almost 300 people. You can see the cleanness of the kitchen. The greenery. These were the cars donated by Hyundai company for the driving school, and the ambulance donated by SBI. These vehicles were also used for various relief operations. I would like to introduce the founder of this Abhaya Home of Happiness and Abhaya Foundation, none other than my uncle, Mr. Balchandra Singh. Let us listen few words from him.
Very happy to have children like Sailata. She's just not a child for us. She's a daughter, a dear doctor, and a wonderful human being. She's here, and just wanted to share with you, if at all you wanted to know what is happening with Abhaya, you can just see Dr. Saida. She is the result of 10 years support from Abhaya. Such works are happening across the country for the last 1.5 decades. And every month we do spend around 5 lakhs rupees on various projects, relevant needs. And I seek the support of everyone. Whoever is comfortably living, whoever is happy living, they need to lend their hands of support too for such good work. And through Dr. Sailata, I seek support of each one of you, even if it is 500 rupees, which can make a heavenly difference to those in need. So saying, I bless you all. I wish you all